This is Navya. Today I am going to explain about how to create, insert, delete, update the records from SQLite database in Android Studio. First you open the Android Studio. To create a new application, file, new project. Give the application name whatever you want. Next and finish. First I am going to change the app name. Instead of constant layout, you can make it as relative layout. First we create our GUI part. To create our GUI, I am going to adding 3 text views and 3 edit text box and 4 buttons. Okay, I am drag and drop all the views to my form. Then I am going to change the ID and text of the controls. You can give whatever you want the IDs. Now I am going to create methods for all the buttons. First I am going to create an variables for all the controls, edit text and text view, buttons, and we must create an object for SQLite database. It is DB. Then I am going to access the IDs of all the controls. Okay, find V by ID is the method to get the IDs of the controls from the R file. After the getting an ID of the controls, I am going to create a table. Open or create database is the method to create or open a database. This is our database name. Student. And execute XL is the method is used to execute the queries in SQLite database. Create a table if not exist. This is our table name. Here just I am going to add 3 columns to my table: age, class and name. Our table is ready. Then I am going to write the code for. Okay, our table is ready. Now I am going to write the code for inserting. Okay, it is our code to insert the data in SQLite database. First we retrieve the text from the edit text box. To do that, I am going to write this statement: event dot get text is the method to get the text from the edit text and it converted into toString. Then the insert query is used to insert the values to the table. Insert into student. It takes the 3 parameters: name, class and age. To execute our query, we are using the execute SQL method. Query is the string we must pass to the execute SQL, and it takes the array C1, C2, C3 are the 3 parameters. Okay, then to confirmations I am going to use the toast for messaging purpose, and then I am going to clear all the text boxes here. Okay, our inserting of the records to the database part was completed, and we move to the delete part. Now I am going to write the code for delete part. It is the code for delete to delete the records. It is the same as insert. Then query delete from students where name is equal to question mark. Execute SQL is the method is used to execute the queries, and it take parameters, single parameter, that is C1. Then toast is used to get a message, and even text was cleared here. Going to write the code for the search button. It is the code for the search button. First I am getting the name of the students from the text box, and then I am going to search that record in the student table. Select start from student where name is equal to C1. User is used to create a virtual table of the student. To travel all the records in the virtual table, we are using this loop. First it points to the first record. To pointing to the first record, we are using the move to first method, and then this line is used to get the record our data of the first row of the first column and set into a first text box, and so on. Our search course is completed. Then we move to the update part. Finally, I am going to write the code for update. It is the code for update student set class is equal to question mark and age is equal to question mark, where name is equal to question mark. By using the name of the student, we can update the record. Here execute SQL is the method is used to execute the update query, and it is the string and it takes 3 parameters. Toast is used to get the message, and these 3 statements are used to clear the text boxes. Our coding part was done here. Then we move to the execution. It is our activity. To execute, we are select the run app, and it takes a few seconds. Select okay. It takes a few minutes to build and indexing application. Okay. First, I am going to insert a record into database. Name, class, and age. Click insert button. It shows the successfully inserted. Now I am going to search the record. Search. It shows all the records, and we can update this record. Instead of 24, I am writing 25, and update successfully. You can see the updated record. See, before going to update it was 23, but it is 25. Similarly we can delete the record. Delete record successfully. Thank you for watching this video.